We're at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, and today we're looking at a 2017 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy S in vivid black. This is a beautiful motorcycle. Most of it is blacked out, including the front forks, engine and exhaust. This engine is that 110 Screamin' Eagle. We have a rider and a passenger seat, extremely comfortable. Blacked out lenses. We have rider floorboards with heel-toe shifters. And all of our controls are black as well. This runs off of a fob, so we are keyless. And miles are really low. We are at 2,900. And this bike also does have ABS. We're at Biggs Harley Davidson, located in San Marcos, California, and we're open for test rides 6 days a week.